My name's Santa Claus.
Oh,
And Santa
Maybe you've
Claus.
heard of me before.
Yes. And
they
Santa,
use a whole.
what is your name?
My real name is Santa Claus.
Okay, Santa Claus right here will be playing Santa Claus.
Oh, oh, oh! I'm sorry, not yet.
I will come up to you. Okay. So, and over there will be the little princess, Michaela.
Oh, yes.
Oh.
It's okay.
But she's not really she's not in the show. She gets to sit with her mom. She's the new princess, and we will be starting the show now. Okay, so first let me say the first line. It was Christmas Eve, and nothing was stirring through the whole house, not even a mouse. Then as jingle bells and ho-ho-hos came over the roof, and down came the chimney and Santa Claus.
Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas! Ho, ho,
I
ho!
heard such
Like
a
that?
clatter. I got out of my bed to see what was the matter. With a belly full of, looks like a bowl full of jelly, cheeks like strawberries, and a nose like a cherry.
Don't forget, I'm very merry too.
And he was a very, very merry person.
My eyes twinkles too.
And his eyes twinkled. When I woke up, I tried to hide to make sure that Santa Claus wouldn't go away.
Oh, oh, oh!
He left presents around the Christmas tree with ornaments oh so beautiful. Leaves.
Oh. That's cool.
And then I saw Santa Claus by the Christmas tree
Like the Bondro.
with presents all around, toys, bikes, and more. So much stuff that I like a mouse. So much stuff that
Up the
he
chimney,
hid
buddy.
behind the tree so he wouldn't see. We snuck up behind him. He turned around with a bowl full of jelly when it shut around. And there was Santa Claus on a pumpkin bed, walking around, putting presents under. There's a ladder.
A promotional video for the office.
And he has a tackle, put his finger beside his nose, and up the chimney. He goes.
Oh, no.
Pretend.
Please.
And there was scary that the presents all aglow. Then I went back and said Merry Christmas to all and a good night. And then from the top of the rooftop tops, he said with such merry,
On Donner, on Dasher, on Comet, on Cupid. On Vixen.
Blitzen.
Blitzen.
And Vixen, too.
Vixen. Now, dash away, oh!
and he said with a jolly voice, ho, 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 Merry Christmas! The next show will start in
It came to
5 minutes.